Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook lumpia in an air fryer. First, ensure your lumpia are thawed completely if they were frozen. This helps them cook evenly. Arrange the lumpia in a single layer inside your air fryer basket, leaving a little space between each piece. Overcrowding the basket will prevent them from becoming perfectly crispy on all sides. A single layer ensures even air circulation, which is key for a delicious outcome. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes before adding the lumpia. Then, cook them for 10 to 12 minutes, but remember to flip or shake the basket halfway through the cooking time. This ensures every side of the lumpia receives direct heat, leading to that desirable golden brown crispness. Flipping is crucial for uniform texture and color, preventing one side from being pale while the other is perfectly done. Look for a beautiful golden brown color and a visibly crispy wrapper to know your lumpia are ready. If you like an extra crispy finish, you can lightly spray them with 1 or 2 spritzes of cooking oil before the last few minutes of cooking. Once done, carefully remove them from the air fryer and let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief resting period allows the filling to settle and the exterior to firm up even more for the best bite. Serve your hot, crispy air-fried lumpia with your favorite dipping sauces, like sweet chili sauce or a vinegar soy blend. If you happen to have any leftovers, they can be reheated in the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes to regain their crispness. Air frying makes preparing this beloved snack incredibly convenient, delivering consistently delicious results every time. Enjoy your perfectly crispy, homemade lumpia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.